Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the A to Z APK App Store. This is very easy. If you find the video, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So what I'm about to show you is going to work on any Android TV, box or Google TV. So please watch attentively right up to the end. Now what you have to do on your Android TV is to go over to your download application, and here's mine over here. For those of you who have downloaded and installed to your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link I've attached that is going to help you to install Downloader to your Android TV. So after installing Downloader, what you need to do is just launch it, and this is how it's going to look like. Once you're here, just type in this code and it'll bring you exactly to where we want to be. The code is 382193. Please type in exactly what you see. If you type in something else, it might not work for you. So when you type in the code, just go ahead and launch, and what is going to happen is that this is going to redirect to the web page of the A to Z APK, since this is a site and it doesn't have an application to be installed to Android TV. So what you need to do just to redirect it to the app, to the page, and then you can use the page to install any application or any APK that you want on your Android TV. It is as simple as that. So this is a site, and you can use the site to install any application that you want or that's on the site. So once you're here, you can take out your time, browse through to understand the site. But that's it about this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.